Well, the project goes on. It's got a little bit of shade. Now it's not so hot out here. It got so hot in the afternoon, the early afternoon, couldn't work out here. Couldn't do anything. There's the first little bird in the cage, huh? And I think she's putting a mesh on the back, that green mesh over there, and then the wire on the front. And there's the plywood that goes on the top. So she's going to get another plywood so it can have a little insulating layer to keep the sun from getting too hot in here. Well, this is turning out to be much more solid than I ever thought it would be in the beginning. Matter of fact, Darwin was up inside there walking around in there, and it didn't even flaw. The bamboo's really, really sturdy. And they got cross members underneath it now that they didn't have before. This is this plastic is a very heavy-duty plastic that they use to build cages and stuff. It's so sick. Matter of fact, you can almost bend it and have it take a shape. That's for the back side, and then she's going to put the wire up on the front side, and of course solid plywood for the roof. And again, this was made with it in mind to add another tier right in here so that she could have another tier right here, and she can have the little birds in one side, and then as she gets rid of the big birds, she'll have the little birds that move on down to the bottom, or the other way around. I don't know which way they really plan on doing it. I imagine the little bird's up on top, so she can kind of cycle them in here and keep the little small birds away from the big ones. Oh, this is something. This is something. I don't know where Myra is. She's out hiding somewhere. Actually, I think she's down there working at Bing's store. I'm not sure. I think she came up to get Myra to go work down at the store a little bit. But this guy here, see, he's smoothing to one side so they can use them to hold down the plastic mesh. At the bottom down there where they have it covered. And this is perfect. There's a little bit left over up on top, and I can put bathroom screens in. Screens in the bathroom. That's the biggest place of the mosquitoes coming in at, in that bathroom. All right, it's shaping up. Myra bought her birds. They're already paid for. She picks them up Sunday to put in here. She went down today and got her birds. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Life in the Philippines, honest to God. With Myra, it is not boring.
Kasi nandiyan pa ako lang naman. Ito po ako. Putulan pa dyan.
Wag na puputulan.
Ayan po.
Putulan ko eh. Sige oh. Ganyan ay pupok ko. Pupok kayo nga.
Wag naman ako. Tatanggal yan.
Dito pa ba? Akin na, kung wala tayo, manisip. Dito na naman tayo.
Look at that. It's pulling together more and more all the time. I can almost hear the chirping of birds already. So this is the backside is now complete.
Okay, honey.
Yeah.
Honey.
And it is sturdy. It is sturdy. Huh?
I know. I am waiting the chick.
You're waiting the chick?
Yes. I'm waiting the chick from America.
Oh, the chick from America.
Yes.
Myra was talking to my sister. She says, you send me a chick and I'll raise it for you and feed it to you when you come over here.
Yeah. Now it's okay now. I wait to
Okay, look at this. Okay, hon. Look at that, huh? Look at that. It's definitely turning into a chicken house now. You've got a door big enough that people can live in there, though. I think Myra wanted to have it so she could crawl in with them when she felt like it. And from what was a very lightweight feeling thing to begin with, it's turned quite sturdy now. It's a quite sturdy box. I have no doubt that it's not going to blow away. And Darwin was inside climbing all over and everything, and they didn't phase it. So I think she's going to be ready for her chickens on Sunday. I wonder how Myra's out hiding somewhere. She was here a little bit ago. But she's disappeared into the sunset. I think she was helping Bing today, though. There you go. You all got a shot all the way around of it. You're doing a good job there, man. I heard Myra out here telling you what to do. Okay, everybody. I'm going to tie this in with a video because this is a little short one, too.